Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy Kenny, and welcome to What's Cooking with Kenny. Oh, what's cooking today? Today we'll be doing dumpling and Irish with saltfish. You remember that from Jamaica? Yeah, man. Some of that we are cook. So my kitchen will be called What's Cooking. And whatever is cooking that day, you will know. But it's called What's Cooking. Yeah? You want to see my ingredients? There are my ingredients. So you got flour, cornmeal flour. So the cornmeal in it settling. And you got some Irish right there. And you got the saltfish right over there. Let me move this a little bit. The saltfish is right there. Well, packaged, yeah. You'll be seeing the seasoning very soon. But stay tuned while we get this pot ready. I'm going to chip out and chip in back again with the ingredients. You know, if you want to know how to cook some simple saltfish, you know, fry up saltfish, cook up saltfish, you know, that me with the seasoning and, you know, with the Irish over there. So yeah, man, I'm a dumpling, yeah, Jamaican style. In Jamaica we call that boat. Yeah, so stay tuned. Soon forward, people, we are back in the kitchen. Here me going to just do my flour, you know, shake up my flour, my cornmeal flour. I'm going to add a little butter to it. And remember them thing that so me need my flour. Add a little butter to it, yeah? So I just take off my lid and get my little spoon. Sorry, let me get my spoon. Sorry. Look for my spoon, can't find my spoon. Alright, me get my butter. Take out some of the butter. Yeah, sorry about the knife. Try to get the butter off of the thing. Butter hard up a winter, you know, so soft butter get like a hard up. That's how me cook my thing. Some people put olive oil. Me use my butter. You know my thing, so yeah, put my butter. Let me go and get my water. Come back with my water. Go add my water to my thing and I'm going to, you know, just rub out my butter in my flour. Get my butter in my flour for the English people who don't understand patois. I'm going to mix around my flour. You know me, I try a thing, man, a big chef, but it's what's cooking. Jamaican, you know, I'm supposed to can do my little thing. You know, show you how me can do in the kitchen, because some people see you and feel say, you know, you can't do your thing. So me make up my little flour. I gather it first. You know, gather my flour up a little bit. Yeah. And you know, the channel I got have a lot of things, you know, the lifestyle. So today this segment is called What's Cooking with Pass Kenny, you know. Yeah, man. So I gather my flour, you know, and so I gather my flour with my spoon. Then after a while me use my hand and start, you know, Mrs. said gather enough. Start put it together. Yeah, and you're gonna see the finished product on the plate, you know. But promise you this time, I'm gonna dish it out. I'll show you how it look after I cook and all them things there. You know how it looks when it's done preparing. So for all the people around the world who probably watch this, you know, this is the Jamaican style of dumpling and Irish. Dumpling and Irish with little saltfish mix up. So we cook a thing, you know, when we're there, growing up in the streets, you know, we call something called boat, or my friend them cook up a thing we call it boat, you know. So yeah. So I'm still like get on my thing. When I done gather, then I start knead. Can't do my little thing, man. As I say, this is not a professional kitchen. So, leave a comment. And thing. Let me just, put my thing together. Alright. Like have a little dish and I put my spoon in pan. So I'm gonna start knead up now. Yeah, see? Start knead up. Yeah, kinda get both sides to get in chunks. Now me start put it together. Yeah, put my thing together. Yeah, so yeah, rub it in, and you go see, I gotta have a time and speed up little thing right here, and I know hope a background music and stuff. I'm gonna put music at the start, music at the, but this is how we do it. So I need the flour. See, it's coming together. Yeah. My flour now gonna look perfect, like some amount of flour. Silky smooth, professional chef. It now gonna look so silky smooth, but it's going to be smooth enough and I can make my dumpling them. You got them dumpling I'll call Kenny dumpling them. Yes, so I need my flour. I put it together, and this is a caramel flour. It's not straight dark flour. No, we mix it with caramel. So this got caramel flour. Yeah. See, it take work, yeah. Take work to do the thing. Alright. So I need it. See guys, we need my flour. So I can do my thing, eh? And when me in the kitchen, I call it beat, when everybody watch beat, Bobby Flay, when we say, beat Bobby Flay, so I call my thing, Alright, so my flour don't need, stay tuned, keep it right there, keep it locked. Flour don't need, I'm going to cover my flour. Wait a little while, then I put it in the pot and I'm going to see that, And then the next segment, you're going to see me cut up my Irish. And the next segment, you're going to see me cut up my seasoning. And the next segment, you're going to see me doing my saltfish and washing it off and preparing it to be cooked and boil down, boil off some of the salt. I'll be doing my Irish. I'm skinning the Irish. I did one already. My Irish again, I have my Irish thing, and you just cut out, you skim out the skin, I'm gonna do it, my Irish, I'm gonna tell you I'm a professional kitchen, I'm gonna do my thing, see it there, that's how it goes, see what I'm doing, using the water, just to get all the skin a bit, when you wash it, wash off. Using the thing, and then I use a knife, and I get out the creases part in here, so. Irish. And one more Irish here. This is my Irish thing I'm gonna do, my Irish this. So when you see me do my Irish, so we do it, and this is Jamaican style cooking. This is like, I run a boat. My days back when my dad in Jamaica, I run boat, you know. Yeah. Me and myself and friends, we're running boats and all them things. Yeah man, so do me Irish skate off the thing then. So as I said, this is a lifestyle thing. I'm going to show you my life is, what I do in my life, some different things, different passions, you know, religion, you know, music, you know, different things that I do from time to time, my passions. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to kind of getting out the little things. But this Irish kind of different from the other one. This is them, you know, somebody grew this one and gave it to me. So yeah, so see that? That's how it is. Getting off all of the things that I need to get off before I cut it up. I'm just preparing everything right now. Not putting them in the pot yet, because the pot have to be hot. Yeah, so I'm going to also be boiling my Irish first before we put in the flour, because the Irish is much tougher. So you boil the Irish first, and then after a certain time, probably 10 minutes or so, or 8 minutes, after 5 minutes, then you start adding your dumpling and you cook up both together. Yeah, so yeah, finish my 3 Irish and cut them in twos, so you can get 6 little pieces with my dumpling and my thing. All right, soon forward again. See when I'm doing the seasoning, cutting up my seasoning to do my frying up of my saltfish. All right, so welcome back guys, welcome back. This is, you know, I'm gonna be cutting up my seasoning. This is my onion. I'm gonna put a few of these colored sweet peppers and, you know, tomato, and that would be my seasoning for what I'm cooking. Not more than that, no bigger, no big nothing. So, you know, I'm going to cut up my tomato. First you wash it. Yeah, wash your tomato, your onion, you know, cut it up, cut off what you need to cut off of it. Get this thing off what you need to get off. Yeah, and remember, me say it's not a professional thing, you know. I'm not so versed with the knife. I just cut my seasoning up how I like them. Yeah, how I like it. So I'm cutting off, doing my onion. Wash off my onion. Here's my onion and my tomato right here. Oh, and I have a little hot pepper, country pepper right there. Add a little piece of my country pepper. So we're gonna have this on the side. Remember, always wash your food. Yeah, and have this on the side here. And then a little, you know what? Let me use the orange one, because, you know, different colors. So this is, you know, sweet pepper. What do you think, orange or yellow? Orange. Let me use the yellow one. Yellow sweet pepper. Wash it off. So remember, I tell you, it's not a professional thing. Alright? So cut off piece. Cut off piece. Yeah. Put it one side. What I like to cut my things up small. Yeah. Cut it long way. Yeah. And cut off a piece more. Make sure your knife sharp. Now if your knife can work. You know, so sharp. Cut off a little piece of your because kid didn't like hot sauce, hot pepper, too much. So I'm going to put a little of that in it. Yeah, then I cut up my onion. So I'm going like this way. Yeah. Let me say it's not a professional cut upper. There's no word like that here. There's no word called cut up. You guys know me, my friends who might watch this, know me how I make up words at times. So my onions, and what I do with my onions again, I cut them up in smaller pieces. Yeah. So slice it that way, slice it that way, dice it that way. Yep. So as I said, I'm not a professional, but I try my thing, yeah. And then my tomato, what I do, I cut the stem off right here, put it one side, and then I go into my tomato, yeah. So I cut it up that way, yes, cut it up that way too, this one. And I do my cut up different, so the knife is not like the other one, you know. And then after I cut it that way, then I cut it this way. So all of my tomatoes I cut another way, yeah. Line them up, cut them in a smaller way. Alright. So those are this is my seasoning. Alright. So I'm gonna do me stage by stage, showing a little thing by a little thing, alright? So this is where it is at. So ladies and gentlemen, when I come back, you're going to see you know, other things happening. I'm going to be boiling my saltfish right now. I'm be putting the saltfish in the pot, going to wash it off, put it in the pot, boil it, and when you come back, you're going to see me now actually putting the things in the pot, the dumpling and the fry up, and you're going to see when I'm frying up, cooking up my saltfish, and then going to be breaking after that, and then you're going to see the end product. I'm about to put my dumpling, my Irish and my dumpling that I needed, flour, into the pot that is simmering over here. You see the steam coming up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my knife, and this is a cut my, like I said, cut my Irish, put it in there, yeah, cut my Irish, and then a big pot, you know. It's not a big pot, it's a little yacht, it's a little boat. Anything bigger than this, a ship, you know. I'll put my potato, cut it up in the pot, yeah. Alright, the tomato in the pot a boil, make that cook a little bit, then I add my flour. You have to make that cook, get soft up a bit, because the potato takes longer to cook than the flour. Point, you know, as I say, I'm not a big chef, but I know that much. Alright, so yeah, so I come back again and add more. I'm going to put my dumpling in, and then when I'm putting in I'm frying up my seasoning into my oil over there. The saltfish over here, so I boil in this pot here, and this pot is cooked down. You boil out get some of the salt out the saltfish because it's too salty, and then, you know, we move from there. So I'm getting somewhere, and I'll get to my destination soon. Alright, the saltfish is boiling over there, boiling down, and the dumpling and the Irish is in this pot, boiling up, Jamaican style. Soon I'll be doing my frying up my saltfish. When it's finished, I prepare it, and then I put my seasoning over there and fry it up, and prepare it, get it ready to be fried up, cooked up, fried up together. You know, cook up saltfish, we call it, and you know, we'll be ready. So just stay tuned, man. You're going to see the thing when it's finished. As me tell you, it's not a professional kitchen. Oh, I made a mistake earlier when I was saying putting the Irish first. So I have to correct that. When is the dumpling going first, then the dumpling boil to a point, then you put the Irish, because the Irish is much, you know, cook out and get soft up. If you put the two of them in the same time, you tend to get the Irish boiled out, soft out, and when you're trying to take it out the pot, it mashes out, and you know, dissolves and scatter out. So if you want it to be more firmer, you wait till the dumpling boil to a point, then you put the Irish in. So I made that mistake. I forgot. You know, I was moving too fast, but everything is sorted out, and we're cooking up a thing right now. As I said, you're going to be seeing the finished product in my kitchen on What's Cooking. And today's menu, as I said, is dumpling and Irish with cook up saltfish, Jamaican style. So we do it in Jamaica. So we do it. We come to Canada and we still have the style, alright? Bless up with it. So come back in here. So see the rest. So see the rest. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. We're just about to start frying up my thing. My pot is here. Let me just turn this up. Put a bit of black pepper in here. I like to do my black pepper thing, you know. I fry up my thing. You know, I add my black pepper. Fry up my thing. So I put a little bit of black pepper in it. And let it fry up. Yeah, add a little more heat to it. Yeah. So while this is cooking or frying up, yeah, I soon get my tripod. I haven't got my tripod yet. You know, wait for that. You know, bless you. Yeah, if anybody can bless me with it, I don't have a problem. But for now, I use my hand and I'm trying to use my videoing skills. Then I get my saltfish. I put this all down in here. Yeah, get all of that down in here. Yeah, man. Then start fry, mix it round. Mix it round and fry up. Yeah, so that's my saltfish being mixed up. Yeah, man. I think that. Yes, sir. So it go, you know. So it go. So my thing go. So my thing there. Add a little bit. It look like you want a little more black pepper. I'm gonna add a bit more black pepper in it. And fry it up some more. Yes, sir. So I do my thing, you know. And then I put my cover on. And I put my cover on and let it cook down some more. And you will see the end product. You see my saltfish frying up and my dumpling and Irish cooking over there. So stay tuned. I'm going to put it on the plate. You tell me what you think about it. Hey guys, we're back. You're going to be seeing the end product of my dumpling and Irish with cooked down saltfish Jamaican style. Yeah, man. You tell me what it look. You can make a comment. As I said, it's not professional, but may I try a thing, you know. As I said, this is my segment called What's Cooking. And today's menu is a simple Jamaican dish, you know, something that would have run both with and stuff, you know. So tell me what you think. After 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 again. And here it goes. That's my dumpling. Dumpling, call me dumpling, and saltfish, cooked down saltfish with Irish over there. So you know, that me think that, yeah, yes sir. Tell me what you think. Yeah, yeah. So next time you're gonna see me, every now and then you're gonna see me. You know, I'm gonna even have Katie on, you know, record our cooking. But tell me what you think about it. I might think that I'm going to eat my food now because it's not bother me. Alright. God bless. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comment. Click the bell. Yeah, man. This is your boy, Kenny. This has been What's Cooking with me. Until the next time. Peace. I'm out.